Alright folks, once again, it's Captain James Nelson here with Dude Craft Guitars. Check out this one. That's right, it's another 7-string multi-scale. Look at it, it's beautiful. Now this should be a short video because I've only got one pickup to demo. However, let's talk about multi-scale, and let's talk about 7-string, and let's talk about baritone and what it's all about. The whole idea is baritone is that middle section of a range of notes that's in between your standard and then your bass. So the reason why some folks like to go with multi-scale for that is because a standard scale guitar, like that one there, that's going to be a 25.5 inch. Some can be as low as 24-ish. And then you're looking at the 25s, that, like your particular models. I'm not going to say their name, but their initials are PRS. But anyway, but what you got with when you go into baritones like this one here, you're going to extend the range and get the ability to play those lower notes with the same type of string pressure that you normally would on a standard scale guitar. Now you can down tune those and find your baritone notes, but you're going to find that the strings will play funky, and if you upgrade the size of the strings, they're not going to feel right on that fretboard. So that's why guys usually go with the longer necks and extend the scale. This one here is like 28.62, which is a conversion, because 28 or 28.5 it wouldn't quite convert with the standard size on up. I'm gonna make a video on that so people understand what that means by conversion. I mean, this is obviously an ST type guitar, which normally would be at a 25.5 inch scale, meaning by going to 28.62 we still got from here on down, we were going to have a 25.5 inch scale, so therefore all the frets feel familiar and you don't have to move anything here. I guess I kind of just did that video, but I'll explain it more. It's because some people get lost in the math, and then there's terminology. I mean, what a lot of people will say 28 scale, or they'll say 28.5. What they really ends up being is 28.61349 or something like that. So anyway, I digress. So to get back into this, what this means is that this string here also can be a standard size, because this particular model is a 27 by 25.5. So what you want to do a lot of times with multi-scale is not go too crazy and get too much of a fan in your frets. Some folks do. Some will go 2 ranges up. This one is on 1 range, so it's a single range. So it's 25.5, and then 27 would be the next, whereas 28.61395 would be the next one after that. So you're looking at yeah. So you're looking at something a little different here. So in going with this one, we can now tune the baritone notes, which would be B, E, A, etc., etc., but yet still maintain the E, B, G coming this way in a size that it's more familiar. And therefore you can run a 10 size string, a string size that's more familiar to folks of us that play those. And the added 7th string is just really cool. What can I say? I by no means have figured out how to play one just yet, but I'll give you the sound example of what this guitar can do. And now all the really fine details are over here in this that little section on. If you're watching this on YouTube, which I'm assuming you are, there's like a little description thing right there. You probably know that. But anyway, so also down there is the like button and subscribe button. Please do that. And there's comments, so please leave a comment. Tell me how wrong I am about stuff, or how right I am, or tell me how you like the Dude hoodie. All right. Anyway, so here we go. I'm going to start out clean. This one we did put a coil tap, and it's bare knuckles. They sound pretty good when you do that too. So this is a really spanky pickup. You know, you'll see what I mean. That's what I mean by spanky. It does mellow out a little bit when you clip it out. So yeah, so that would be more single coil mode. Anyway. Single pickups by the bridge, made really hot with ceramic magnets by folks in UK, sound okay when they're clean. They sound a little different with chorus, but I have a feeling they're really meant to have a little push on them. That's when they sound awesome. I'm still learning these things, but there you have it, folks. Thanks again for tuning in to Dude Craft Guitars. Seriously, please click the like, subscribe, leave comments if you want to know, especially if you want to know a little bit more about what I'm talking about with conversions and scale lengths, and how to make a conversion neck if you want to make one yourself or get it from folks like myself who do make them. So and what to look for if you get them somewhere else, because not all conversion necks are actual conversion necks. So be careful what you're getting. I'm thinking of making a video just like educating a little bit more what to look for, whether you get it from me, make it yourself, or get it from somebody else. Let me know if you like that idea, and thanks again.